Hi guys, in today's video I'm gonna show you how you can change multiple image formats at the same time. First, go to the website or use the link in the description, download image format changer or image converter. After you download and install it, you can run it. Drag and drop all files in here, make sure they are named differently. You can choose the output format, increase the quality, change the resolution. If image has solid background, you can remove it. It only works well on solid colors, or add filters. And finally, you can leave it as is, change the naming scheme, and you can remove EXIF data. After you are happy with the properties, you can select the output folder and export images. Wait for it to complete and check the results. And that's it. Thank you guys for watching. If this video was helpful, like the video and subscribe to my channel, and see you in the next one.